Alright, YouTubes. It's December 29th. Running some calls. It's a Sunday morning. Hope everybody had a good holiday. The New Year's coming up. So I'm hoping everybody has a great New Year's. We're going to head out to this. It's a 3-door True, the old glass sliding doors. And the complaint is the doors are sticking or not closing. And hopefully I can get in there and show you guys how these work and how to tidy them up. Some wheels on the bottoms of the doors. There's some counterweights and some string. And I think I have some replacement string on the van. So let's get out there and see how it goes. Middle door's still good. That door's still good. So it's this one right here. Alright, these are the wheels that are attached to the bottom of the doors. There's 3 on each one. You can see this one's all worn out. Once they wear out, there's really not much you can do but to replace them. I noticed the one in the back, and these are the rails that it rides on. One in the back was worse off than the one in the middle, so I'm flip-flopping them just to see if I can get them some relief. Here's where the string attaches into the door. You just make a knot in it, and that goes in there as a counterweight that pulls back on the string here, that pulls the door closed. Real simple process, and that's what it looks like when it's inside, ready to go. And we'll put this door back. But I definitely got to get new wheels for this door. But the back one was totally worn out, so I moved it to the middle, moved the middle one to the back just for the meantime. We'll order up.